Morning. I'm fishing here with my friends. Okay, today I'm gonna ask them if they use soft sand crab or hard shell sand crabs, because some friends and people ask me if we use the soft shell sand crabs, but to be honest, first I'm gonna start with me. I don't use soft shell sand crabs. I use what I find. Sometimes I get the hard shell. I use it, and with the hard shell, I don't have to dye it. I don't have to use the thread. I don't have to use the any rubber to put it on the hook. The problem with the rubber is smell, so the fish doesn't like it sometimes. The other thing with the soft shell sand crab, the problem is the soft shell rip away when we cast very far. Like for Sargo, we have to cast very far away. So the soft shell doesn't matter if you tie it or not, it just came out on the hook. So this is the reason I don't use soft shell sand crab. So I prefer to use the hard shell, and it works very good. Okay, let's see what Ahmed got here. Oh, yellowfin. Yeah, it's a yellowfin. What did you use?
Sand crab.
Soft shell or hard shell?
Hard shell.
Do you use soft shell or
Usually hard shell.
hard shell?
Yeah.
Ahmed always mostly use the hard shell. Wow, that's a nice one. How about the soft shell? Do you like it?
It folds easy from the hook.
So Ahmed said that he doesn't use soft shell. Usually he uses most like hard shell sand crab. Reinaldo got a fish. Está chingona, ¿verdad?
Muy bien. La primera de la mañana.
So what you got it? Sand crab?
Camarón.
Camarón. Shrimp from the store. Sí, Reinaldo, agarraste un vaso. Ven, aquí está la medida. This is the hook, the one I use. Very tiny. But it's a number 6. It's between live bait and the regular hook. So it's very strong. Like this hook can hold a 30-pound bad rain. Doesn't matter. It's not gonna strain. The 8-pound croaker doesn't matter. This one is strong. Mosquito I don't use anymore because it strays out very easy. This is called octopus hook, but it's between live bait and the normal hook. Yeah, it's very small. This is the way I have it. There's my sinker. My line is connected here. There's my swivel. You can see maybe 2 inches from that is a swivel. Then there's my sinker number 5 from Ocean Tackle. They sell it very, very cheap. And then I have about 3 feet line for the hook. And there's my sand crab over there. That's the way I have them. There's 1, 2, and 3 sand crabs. Oh wow! You have another one. What are you using?
Sand crab.
Soft shell or hard shell?
Whatever.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Which one do you prefer? Soft shell or hard shell?
Soft shell.
Soft shell?
Yeah, it's harder to find, but you have to go through them.
Okay. You
Morning.
prefer soft shell. It's a nice one. Here we have the sand crabs. This is the hard shell sand crab. This is the one we use. We're not gonna lie saying that we use soft shell, because the reality is we use what we find. We use, doesn't matter, or soft shell. But for me, I prefer the hard shell because I cast very, very far for sargo. I don't have to tie it, I just put it on the hook. Like I said, the rubber smell, and also scare the fish sometimes is picking. But this is what we use. This is the size, the one we use. Very, very good size. We put 2 or 3 and we catch good fish.
Just store-bought shrimp.
Yeah, and we use it also shrimp from the store. I don't know which market, but from the store. Reynaldo got a fish on this one. Most of the time we use this one for big bass, but not all the time. You have to know when the bass is biting on shrimp and when it's biting on the sand crab, because Mohammed is there.
In the can we have no shrimp.
And here we have some bush shrimp. Ahmed got some bush shrimp. ¡Qué chingona! Bien bonito, güey. Perfecto. We are here with the meat. Jason. That's something big. It's a big bass. We already had 2 now. No, that's not big. It's a good size, but it's not big. Una, dos release it now. Ronaldo has an opalite. Ronaldo again. Oh yeah. That's a big one. That's shipwreck. Looks like a shipwreck. Oh, it's a bass. Yeah, shipwreck. Wow, it's a cute shipwreck. Wow. That's a nice shipwreck. Te fue bien, bro. ¿Ya ves? A ese shipwreck ya le mordieron la espaldita.
¿Eh?
Le mordieron ya la espaldita. Ronaldo's a good fish. No, pues está chingona, güey. Shipwreck grandote. It's a beauty. Ay, ay, ay. Está chingona, güey. Sí, pues. We got a perch. What we got? There's a opalite, shiphead, curvina, sargo, and there's yellow pink croakers. Oh, there's a bass. This one bass, the legal bass from Ronaldo. There's some yellowfin. That's what we got today.